Get ready to give your home an amazing summer upgrade with clever Amazon finds that make outdoor living more comfortable, relaxing, and fun. From backyard essentials to patio must-haves, these picks are designed to help you enjoy every sunny day even more. All the products featured are linked in the description below. Some chairs look great until the first rainstorm ruins them. These aren't those chairs. Built from high-density polyethylene, they have the rich look of real wood without any of the upkeep. No cracking, no fading, no peeling, no matter what the weather throws at them. Each chair holds up to 380 pounds, features an extended backrest for genuine lumbar support, and comes with a built-in cup holder right where you need it. The pin-free folding design means no sharp edges or tricky mechanisms. Just fold, stack, and store in seconds. This set comes with 4 chairs, so your fire pit, deck, or backyard is instantly sorted for company. Assembly takes minutes with everything included in the box. Available in 9 colors to match any outdoor setup. Buy them once and genuinely never think about patio chairs again. Not all inflatable pools are created equal. This one actually thought about the adults. Stretching nearly 8 feet wide and standing 31 inches deep, it gives the whole family genuine room to splash around without bumping into each other. A built-in bench with a backrest runs along the inside wall so parents can sit comfortably in the water, keep an eye on the kids, and still reach the 2 built-in cup holders without getting up. The thick 13-gauge vinyl is tough enough to handle summers of rough play without springing leaks. 2 separate air chambers mean faster inflation and deflation, and a drain plug makes emptying it quick and clean. A repair patch is included just in case. At this price point, it delivers far more comfort and thoughtful design than you'd ever expect. Backyard summer sorted. Tiny gadget, seriously impressive trick list. This pocket-sized fan is barely 5 inches tall, but packs 3 genuinely useful tools into one. It blows cool air for up to 19 hours on a single charge, doubles as a power bank to top up your phone when you're out, and hides a flashlight for late-night walks or camping trips. The blades fold completely hidden inside the body, so it slips into any pocket or bag without snagging anything. Unfold it 180 degrees for a handheld fan, or prop it at 270 degrees, and it stands on its own as a desktop fan. 3 speed settings keep you in control of exactly how much cooling you need. Available in a range of colors and small enough to take absolutely everywhere. Concerts, commutes, travel, makeup. This little fan handles it all. Your hat just got an upgrade it didn't know it needed. This solar-powered baseball cap has a built-in fan sitting right at the brim, blowing a steady, cool breeze directly onto your face while you're out in the heat. The solar panel on top charges it automatically under sunlight, but a USB port lets you top it up beforehand too. A full charge lasts up to 4 hours depending on speed. Fan angle and wind speed are both adjustable, so you control exactly where the breeze goes. The soft mesh fabric keeps your head breathing and wicking sweat the whole time. The fan is fully removable and machine washable, so maintenance is effortless. Perfect for fishing, hiking, cycling, golf, beach days, or any time the sun is trying to ruin your afternoon. Comfort you can literally wear. Why drive to the ice cream shop when you can run your own? This countertop soft serve machine churns out fresh, creamy ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and gelato in just 20 minutes flat. No chemicals, no salt, no ice required. The double insulated freezer bowl does all the hard work automatically. Pull the handle and soft serve swirls directly into cones or bowls, just like the real thing. 3 built-in condiment containers let you mix in sprinkles, chocolate chips, crushed pretzels, or anything else you love as it dispenses. A built-in warming cup keeps hot fudge or caramel ready to pour straight on top. The cone holder, removable drip tray, and mix-in gauge make the whole experience genuinely effortless. Makes 1.5 quarts per batch and backs it all up with a 3-year warranty. Dessert night just got a serious upgrade. Your drinks should never wait for ice again. This smart countertop ice maker produces 9 fresh cubes in just 3 minutes, thanks to a patented pre-cooling system that's 77% more efficient than traditional models. It cranks out up to 47 pounds of ice per day across 3 cube sizes, so whether it's morning coffee or a full house party, you're always covered. Dual water tanks hold enough water for 6 continuous hours of ice making without a single refill. Control everything through an app or just use your voice. Turn it on, schedule it, check production stats, even run the 10-minute self-cleaning cycle without touching a button. It runs at just 40 decibels, quieter than a normal conversation. Food-grade components and a rust-resistant steel interior keep every cube clean, fresh, and completely odor-free. Every cooler keeps things cold. This one goes several steps further. Built into the side is a removable 3-gallon drink tank with a tap, so you can fill it with ice water, lemonade, cocktails, or whatever the occasion calls for, and pour directly into cups without digging through ice for individual cans. The main compartment holds up to 72 cans, or 12 standing wine bottles, and up to 3 inches of closed-cell foam insulation keeps everything frozen for 5 or more days. All-terrain puncture-resistant wheels roll smoothly across sand, gravel, and grass without complaint. A built-in bottle opener, dry rack, and foam top pad round out the features. Whether it's a tailgate, beach day, camping trip, or backyard party, this cooler handles the drinks so you don't have to think about them. An umbrella, a fan, and a misting bottle all walked into the summer heat and became one genius gadget. This 3-in-1 cooling umbrella shades you from the sun, blows a steady breeze, and sprays a fine, cool mist all at the same time. The built-in canopy blocks harmful UVA and UVB rays, while the fan and mist work together to drop the temperature around you instantly. A 3,000 milliampere hour rechargeable battery keeps everything running for 2 to 3 hours on a single charge. Plenty for a full beach day, festival, or outdoor commute. When you're done, it folds down to just 34 inches and slips right into a backpack or beach bag without any hassle. Lightweight, portable, and genuinely brilliant for anyone who spends time outdoors in the heat. No membership fees, no drive across town, no crowded lanes. Just inflate and dive in. This oversized backyard pool stretches nearly 10 feet long and fits the whole family comfortably without anyone fighting for elbow room. The built-in canopy blocks 90% of UV rays and sits on a steel frame that actually holds up in wind. No chasing it across the yard. Triple-layer walls are thick enough to bounce back from jumps and rough play without sagging or puncturing. The ocean-themed print covering the floor and walls turns your backyard into an underwater adventure, complete with coral reefs and tropical fish. Inflates in just 3 minutes with a turbo valve. Built-in cup holders, an ergonomic backrest, and a fast-drain plug means setup and cleanup are genuinely painless. Summer sorted. Summer heat doesn't care if you're inside or outside, and neither does this fan. This powerful oscillating misting fan cools you down from up to 70 feet away, whether you're in the living room or on the patio. The built-in removable water tank mists the air around you, dropping the temperature by up to 12 degrees without needing a hose or any extra attachments. Fill it with ice for an even cooler blast on brutal days. It works cordless for up to 24 hours on low speed, so you can take it anywhere without hunting for an outlet. Switches between floor fan and tabletop mode in seconds. Whisper quiet performance means it runs in the background without driving you crazy. Sleek enough for indoors, tough enough for outdoors. One fan that genuinely handles both. Want to know exactly what's happening outside without checking your phone? This smart weather station gives you real-time updates right from your own backyard. The bright color display shows temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed all at once. It connects wirelessly to outdoor sensors and sets up in minutes. Clear, accurate, and dependable. It makes tracking the weather almost addictive. Cooking outdoors doesn't have to be chaotic. This folding camping table gives you a sturdy surface, plus 3 tiers of storage to keep everything neat. Side pockets hold utensils and tools, while the zippered middle compartment keeps food safe from bugs. It sets up in seconds, then folds into a slim case with a handle when you're done. Lightweight yet strong, it's like bringing a mini kitchen to the campsite. Your garden just found its glow-up. This raised metal planter gives you room to grow flowers, veggies, and climbing vines all in one smart setup. The built-in trellis lets plants grow upward, saving space and adding natural privacy. Drainage holes prevent soggy soil, so your plants stay happy and healthy. With smooth rolling wheels and rust-resistant metal, you can move it around and garden your way. Some evenings just need a flame. This glass lantern fire pit sits right in the center of your patio table, turning an ordinary night outside into something worth lingering over. It drops into any standard umbrella hole and runs on a small propane tank tucked neatly out of sight underneath. One tank burns for up to 6 hours. The borosilicate glass cylinder protects the flame from wind while keeping that warm, dancing glow fully visible. No fire pit, no problem. This brings the ambiance without the ash. Got mountains of leaves piling up? This electric leaf mulcher turns them into fine mulch in minutes. Its high-speed motor shreds up to 53 gallons per minute, reducing 11 bags of debris into just 1. The bladeless system is safe, efficient, and easy to clean. Lightweight yet sturdy, you can move it anywhere around your yard. Cleanup season just got faster and way more satisfying. Fire pits usually come with smoke, mess, and constant adjustments. This portable fire pit changes that. Its design burns wood more efficiently, creating strong heat with minimal smoke. It's compact enough to move around, yet powerful enough for gatherings. You get the warmth and atmosphere of a real fire without the usual hassle. It's cleaner, easier, and way more enjoyable to use. No more food slipping through the grates. This rolling grill basket keeps veggies, shrimp, and small bites perfectly contained while giving them that smoky, grilled flavor. The removable wooden handle makes it easy to turn without burning your hands, and the stainless steel build is tough enough for countless cookouts. Best of all, it nests together for compact storage, making it a go-to tool for backyard BBQs or camping trips. Comfort curves its way into your living room with this Boomerang Sofa. Its unique arch design naturally draws everyone in, creating a cozy corner that feels inviting and stylish. Soft, sculptural lines make it perfect for lounging, reading, or catching up with friends. You'll love sinking into its gentle embrace after a long day. It's more than a sofa. It's a centerpiece for relaxation and togetherness. Hoses usually end up tangled and messy. This retractable hose reel keeps everything organized and ready to use. Pull out the length you need, and it locks in place. When you're done, it smoothly retracts back without kinks or knots. The wall-mounted design saves space and keeps your yard looking clean. It's one of those upgrades that makes everyday tasks feel easier. Nature meets art right in your dining room. This handcrafted black walnut table features stunning ocean wave resin that flows seamlessly across the wood grain. No two are ever alike. You choose the size, edge style, resin color, and leg design, so the finished piece is completely yours. The top is a full 2 inches thick, kiln-dried to stay warp-free for years. White glove delivery means it arrives and gets set up without you lifting a finger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.